Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming power and basic connectivity so you don't chase phantom faults. First, make sure the Elite controller has at least a 30% charge or plug it in with a known good USB-C cable. Low charge can block pairing. Once done, fully power cycle the console by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds and restarting. Next, press the controller's Xbox button, then the sync button on the console to initiate pairing. This forces a fresh handshake between devices. Now you move into the more detailed troubleshooting, firmware and interference. Connect the controller to the console or Windows PC with the USB-C cable and open the Xbox Accessories app to check and apply firmware updates. Outdated firmware often breaks pairing. If you use the wireless dongle, remove and reinsert it, then rerun the console and controller sync sequence to re-establish the link. Also, make sure any nearby Bluetooth devices are turned off, because they can prevent the Elite from completing a stable connection. Finish by isolating and taking decisive action. Try the Elite controller on a different Xbox or a PC to confirm whether the controller, console, or dongle is at fault. This narrows your repair path. If it still won't connect, perform a controller factory reset by holding Sync plus Menu plus View buttons per Microsoft guidance, then retry pairing. If nothing changes, swap the wireless dongle or contact support for repair. One key tip: if pairing repeatedly fails, remove all saved devices from the console to clear potential address conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.